Adding Google Analytics to your website is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to do it. Start by visiting the website marketingplatform.google.com, which hosts Google Analytics. Click on Start for free and create your account by entering your account name and property details. Once your account is set up, choose the platform you'll be using. In this case, select Web, enter your website link to link it with Google Analytics. After this step, you'll land on a page where you can add a new page tag. Simply select this option, and you'll see your stream URL and measuring ID. Choose the settings you want to apply and copy the generated URL. Paste this URL into your website's HTML code. Once done, Google Analytics will be integrated into your website. You can adjust the settings according to your preferences directly from the Google Analytics dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Analytics to your website. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.